India reported 70,421 new COVID-19 cases, 1.19 lakh discharges, and 3,921 deaths on Sunday, according to the Union Health Ministry data. India on Sunday reported the lowest number of daily cases in the last 72 days. Naftali Bennett was sworn in as Israel's new Prime Minister on Sunday. Former Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, who had partnered with centrist and left-wing parties, ended his 12-year rule. Prime Minister Narendra Modi took to Twitter and congratulated Israel's new Prime Minister Naftali Bennett. Modi said he is looking forward to meeting Naftali Bennett and deepening the strategic partnership between the two countries. He said India and Israel celebrate 30 years of upgradation of diplomatic relations next year. The Karnataka government eased the COVID-19 restrictions in 11 districts that have less COVID-19 positivity rate. According to new guidelines, the restrictions have been relaxed from 6 am to 2 pm in 19 districts instead of the existing 6 am to 10 am. Even after easing restrictions, only shops selling essential commodities will be allowed to operate. The lockdown in Goa was extended till June 21 as the positivity rate in the state stood at 14%. The curfew was first imposed on May 9 and has been extended several times since then as the state witnessed its positivity rate reaching a high of 51% before dipping gradually. China on Sunday asserted that the days when a small group of countries decided the fate of the world are long gone, hitting back at the leaders of the powerful G7 bloc who took a unified position on Beijing on issues like COVID-19 origins, human rights violations, and its mega Belt and Road initiative. Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro was fined $100 for violating COVID-19 safety norms by not wearing a mask in Sao Paulo. He was attending a motorcycle rally in Sao Paulo. Rosseux Magistrate Court in Dominica today will hear fugitive businessman Mehul Choksi's illegal entry case. The Dominica court earlier rejected the bail application of Choksi, saying he was a flight risk. The India Meteorological Department has forecasted heavy rains in Karnataka. IMD said that the state is very likely to experience widespread rainfall till 17 June. An orange alert has been put in place for coastal districts till 17 June.